Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to just make a potato salad. I have here six russet potatoes, big size, and three eggs, uh, sweet relish, mayonnaise, uh, mustard, some garlic salt, and some celery. Let's peel the potato. All right, give the potato a good wash. Now it's gonna cut into a small pieces like this. Okay, small chunk like this. Okay, potato is done. All right, I have eggs right here. I'm gonna wash the eggs a little bit. I'm gonna boil with the potato. So boil all together. I got some water boiling right now. Let's put the eggs in there. And then gonna put potato in there. I'm gonna boil the egg and potato together. Okay. All right. So gonna boil potato until I can put the fork through it. So in the meantime, we're gonna chop up the onion. About half a cup of onion. What I do is I just cut the top and the bottom like this, so I can stand on the onion on the cutting board. So I'm going to slide down like this. Don't cut all the way to the bottom. And then I turn around this way. I cut this way. So I put on the side, and then now you can chop it up right here. See? About half a cup of chopped onion. So we want about half a cup of chopped onion. That's good enough. I want about half a cup of celery. Right? I'll trim the end off. And what I would do is I just cut it, slice it down like that, and then I'm going to slice it again. So half and then half again. Okay. Now I'm going to chop in a small chunk like this. Okay, and all right, after boil about I think close to 8-9 minutes now. Let's check. Let's do a fork test right here. Just all right, if you can push it through the potato is done. Okay, yeah, I think it's done. See, pretty soft now. It's done. So to drain all the water out, I think the egg is cooked. Yep, it's cooked. And then you just drain out all the water. Now we're going to put it in this bowl right here. spatula right here, just smash it up a little bit. Let's peel the egg. Okay, and eggs already done. Now we got the eggs in there. I just smash it all up and mix it all together. Just gonna put the celery, 1 cup of celery. About a 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. Some sweet relish. So about 1/2 a cup of sweet relish. Mustard. So it's about a tablespoon of mustard, not just to give it that color, the yellow color, not too much. So about a teaspoon of that, tablespoon of that mustard. A little bit of garlic salt, not too much. A little bit. I still have the onion to go, so I'm gonna put this last, the onion. I'm gonna use a little bit of sea salt there. Sea salt, just a little bit. Okay, I have some black pepper right here. I'm gonna just put a little bit on top. A little bit black pepper, not too much. Okay, mix it really well here. And the last thing to go in there, because I got some chopped up onion right here, because my wife and my daughter, they don't like onion, so I'm gonna take some of this out, and then the last one is just add onion in there. Yeah, I'm gonna take some of this out before I add the onion, because let's say my wife and daughter, they don't like onion. Here goes the onion. 1/2 a cup of chopped onion. Oh, it's yummy. Oh, this is it. Let's give it a taste. Right there. Mmm. Oh, that's good. You can taste the crunchiness of the celery and the onion, the sweet relish. You can taste that too. This is good. It's simple to make, so it's only a few ingredients here. So give it a try, and so it's very delicious. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. It's good.